Hi guys, Tatiana is here, and today I want to show you a new amp I've got. This is called Hotone Pulze, and it's very interesting and new to me. I'm really excited. I want to show you what this little thing can do. Its weight is 3.8 kg. Do you know how heavy my old one is? It's freaking 19 kgs. This breaks my back and my trust to humanity. It has two speakers inside, and maybe you can even see something there, maybe not. Each of them is 15 watt, so together it makes it 30. Not too bad for such a little thing. The frequency range is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. For example, the bass range is normally from 41.2 Hz for the open E string to 392 Hz on the string G fret 24. I have just 22 frets here. So we are within the working range. It has a light here and a digital screen and a number of settings for your sound. Here you get amps. There is a list of them and you can choose any, and there are 4 specifically for the bass, but you can try the others as well. Let's explore this thing from the corner. Here in the corner, when you press it, you get a tuner, drum and setting. Let's press tuner. So now I can tune my bass. This is G, a little bit, tiny bit sharper than necessary. Okay, you know how to use a tuner, right? I'm not showing you now. Okay, you tune your bass and then you can choose the drums. The device has 100 different rhythms, including the metronome. So you can choose what you want. For example, let's choose rock, classic rock. Here you can do the BPM. You can type whatever you want. Let's do 130 just to try it. Okay. And now you can press and listen to it. Oh, okay. What about this? Oh, quite fast, huh? Oh, I like it. Slow rock. Okay. Now we can adjust the volume if we don't want it to be so loud. For example, we can make it quieter. Okay, now let's come back. And here also you have settings. I don't think we need to do anything with them, but the good thing is you can reset everything if you just did something wrong. You don't know what you did. Okay, now let's go here. Here you can press and listen to your drums again. And here you have a couple of modes. This is the play mode, where you can adjust different settings you've chosen. And this is the song list mode, they call it. And here they have a number of effects, 120 effects, I think they have, and you can try different ones. You can scroll it with your finger, or you can use these little arrows to choose something. Okay, let's try something like To Rachel. Okay, what does it sound like with the drums? Quite an interesting sound. If you press at the center of the mode you chose, you can see that it's systematized in a list, and you can choose approximately what you want to hear. You can choose the bass and have these presets here, but I also like experimenting with different ones, like clean ones. Let's try silver lining. What's this? Oh, beautiful. And you can press here again and you will come back to the song list mode. When you want to edit something from this mode, you press this button. This is a play mode, I believe, and you have the volume, output, bass, treble, bright, and a few more things to adjust if you want to adjust anything. Here you plug your headphones when you want to practice too long or maybe too late and you don't want to bother your family. And this is an input for devices like the phone or maybe a tablet. So you can make music sound from your device through this system and you can play along. Another option here is Bluetooth. When it's blinking, it means that the Bluetooth is not connected, but when you connect it, it starts just shining blue and you can play the music from your device through this system. I'm going to try it now. So I'm connecting Bluetooth right now from my laptop. I found a nearby device called Pulse Audio 9FA1 and I'm connecting. Ooh! It probably means I'm connected. The Bluetooth button shines blue right now, so it means it's connected. Okay, I'm going to play the track via Bluetooth from my device to this system and play along. I chose the setting for my bass, basic bass as a mode, and some kind of a bass preamp, I don't remember which one. So let's see how it goes. It works. I think if you want to adjust your tone for some particular reasons, this is a great toy and you can play a lot with this and you will get a lot of enjoyment, believe me. However, there are a couple of things. First of all, you can save the presets you've made. But I haven't figured out how to navigate to the list of saved presets and how to make it quickly and clearly. You can't find this information in the user guide, unfortunately. You can see only what things it has and where they are on the screen, but it's not written how to work with them. And the second thing, it has an input to get connected to the computer. And I thought maybe I could navigate the saved presets on the screen of my computer, but actually when I connected, nothing happened and my laptop just didn't see the device. And I wonder if that was a cable broken or my USB input, or maybe I just understood it wrong. You can't check it with the user guide, and I hope they will make another one which is more precise so that people are not confused about how things work. But these are just a couple of things, and maybe I will find the answers to my questions eventually myself, just practicing a little bit more with this amp. Where would I use this? At home for home practice, 100%, no problem at all. For small practice rooms, of course, you can make yourself louder if your drummer is too loud and it'll be fine. For small venues, yes, it can be used as well. But for the bigger venues, I wouldn't probably even try it, because 30 watt is probably not enough for big venues. But for smaller ones, yep, why not? This is a great thing because it's so light, it won't break your back and won't break your budget as well. From the creative perspective, it's a really great little thing, and I already started thinking about writing some music pieces for performing with this amp, because it has so many interesting sounds and you can create so many interesting textures with them. So it can be a start of a bass monologue, for example, or I can probably write some other parts for other musicians and play it together. So I'm already starting thinking about it. Thank you to Hotone Pulze. You'll find the link for this device below this video in the description. I hope you liked this one. Press the like button if you did, and subscribe if you want to get more bass or music gear reviews. I'll see you next time. Happy grooving!